So today on the Broken Pallet, I'm going to be installing a diesel heater that I got off of Amazon this past summer and just got around to installing it this past January. I've been heating my shop for the past few years with a propane heater from Mr. Heater, and I go through a 20-pound propane tank about once a week. My goal is to run off of used oil, more than likely mixed with diesel and or gas. I get a bunch of used oil for free, so if I can supplement my heating with a free resource and save some money, I'm all for it. Okay, enough of that introduction, let's get to the video. So at this point, I realized that the heater has turned off. There was a point where it got up to 170 degrees, but now it's barely over 100. So I had to do a little bit more digging and found that uh, the mixture that I had wasn't quite right. So I'm still messing around with the ratios. I think that one was 10% gas, I think, to 90% waste oil. Stick around for part two. I'm going to go ahead and try out different mixtures. Going to do a 50-50 diesel used oil mix, see how well that works.